Dude, that might be the nastiest Benz I've ever heard. All right, so we're back here with Moose. He's gonna go over some of the services they offer over here at M-Tech Performance.
So here at M-Tech Performance, we offer a full array of services. We don't offer just performance work. We offer service, we offer repair, we offer dyno tuning for all European makes and models. We also offer fabrication, custom. My vehicle is equipped with custom downpipes that were made here in-house by M-Tech Performance. They're 3-inch stainless steel downpipes. They're factory fitment. They bolt directly to the factory turbo and they bolt directly to the factory exhaust. There's no modding, no cutting. It bolts directly to the car as if it was factory. So here at M-Tech Performance, we also offer dyno tuning services for all European make and models. If you have an M5, if you have a C63, if you have a Fiat, there's pretty much nothing that we don't do.
You guys have something on the dyno right now, right?
Correct. We also have a car on the dyno now, which is currently a GLA 45 AMG. This car is equipped with the M-Tech Stage 2 package, which consists of a downpipe made of stainless steel, an intake made in-house, and also our custom tune.
All right, so what are you guys doing on the dyno to this vehicle here?
This vehicle, we already made our base pulls. Now that the ECU is out, we'll be loading our tune into the ECU. Now, when we're done, we'll put this car back on the dyno, we'll strap it back down, and we're gonna see what this car makes. At M-Tech, we don't guess, we don't do crank horsepower, we don't say what we think the car is gonna make. Here at M-Tech, we give proven results. We dyno the car before, after, and we give you wheel horsepower numbers.
Perfect, man, I'm excited to see what it makes. 2018 GLC 63 AMG, all-wheel drive.
Correct.
This is a V8 bi-turbo, correct?
Correct. This car is a V8
bi-turbo, yeah.
This car is the continuation of the GLK. The GLK has been discontinued and they now make the GLC. So this car, believe it or not, is actually the same chassis code as my car, the C63.
Wow.
So what you see here in the shop today is actually 3 vehicles of the same chassis code. So these are all 205 chassis vehicles.
That's pretty cool. So same power plant in each one of them too.
Correct, same power plant.
So we'll be able to give you guys kind of a comparison here. I'm gonna take this one out.
This one here is 4matic, so it'll be a little funner out of the way.
Oh yeah. But this one has your stage 3, I believe,
this
right?
This one is a stage 2 package.
Excuse me, stage 2 M-Tech.
So it's equipped with our custom-made in-house stainless steel downpipes, and it's also equipped with BMC air filters.
Okay.
Also equipped with our stage 2 tune. When you purchase a downpipe from us and it needs to be installed, there's no mods that need to be done.
Gotcha, that was a downpipe.
You remove the factory one, you bolt ours right back up.
Okay.
You can reuse the factory clamp for the turbo side and for the exhaust side.
That's cool, man, yeah.
Factory placement, factory bolt.
How difficult is it to get to the downpipe
fit
in this car?
These downpipes are a little difficult. They're not like most cars. When people hear downpipes, they think you're going to take them right out.
Yeah,
no.
So I wanted to kind of touch on that too. This is something that you recommend someone bringing the car.
So some people like to chop the exhaust to take it out. And if you don't chop the exhaust, you have to remove the transmission. Here at M-Tech, if you decide to bring your car to us for downpipes, we will not cut out your factory exhaust.
That's awesome. I got to tell you guys.
We will remove it and leave it one piece factory and remove the transmission and do it as it's supposed to be done per Mercedes.
The right way, yeah. This thing sounds incredible. I've heard quite a few tuned Mercedes and I love the sound of this thing. So let's go take her out, see what she's talking about. All right, so we're here with Moose's buddy Davon. He was kind enough to let me jump in with him and we'll do a couple little hits here, see how this thing feels.
So right now we're in Sport Plus.
Okay.
And I'll drop it down to race mode.
Okay.
All right, we're ready to go.
Cool. Nice open road.
Sounds so good.
This car is
awesome.
Yeah, really nice. Like I said, I've been in quite a few tuned Benzes, and I don't know if I've heard one that sounds this. They usually have a weird kind of throaty back. I'm not a huge fan sometimes of the sound, but this is nice. Get straight a little bit here.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so second gear.
Yep. Whew. God damn. This thing just keeps pulling. It's like a freight train.
Yeah.
We spun a little bit too, huh? A little bit, right?
Yeah.
Bring up a little bit.
First, second gear.
Yeah.
It just spins.
Yeah. I felt it. I mean, it doesn't break up too bad though.
No. Yeah, first and second gear.
Damn.
Especially going around turns, you gotta like feather it.
Yeah, I can see that.
Because it will kick out.
Start breaking up, yeah.
Yep.
Man, once this thing starts moving though, holy shit. Yeah. Just wants to keep going.
Yep.
Oh yeah. Back with Moose in this 2018 GLC 63 AMG. That is a mouthful to say. Shout out to Mercedes for fucking always making it difficult. All right, so give me a rundown again on what you did to this car.
So this here is a 2018 GLC 63. It has 4,000 miles on it. This vehicle is now equipped with an M-Tech Stage 1 package. The Stage 1 package consists of BMC air filters and our custom tune. The car has also been on the dyno before and will be on the dyno shortly after this test drive.
Very good. So, you know, not a crazy amount of mods, but we should pick up a nice little bit of power here. A little bit of sound, obviously, as you can hear, sounds great. And the other thing, obviously, is the reliability side of it with the tune. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this thing moves.
Bro, this thing is gonna stretch my car.
Shit, man. Let's make sure the road's clear.
Well, I just want to test it. We're gonna come back around.
Okay.
Maybe U-turn.
Okay.
Get it on the way back. Just make sure.
Yeah, I was just saying because
high RPM, everything's fine.
feels good.
Got some good pops. You can press the gas, release it. Don't know if you can hear it with the windows.
I mean, you're tapping the gas and this thing's sucking me back right now. The all-wheel drive in this thing, shit. Really feel it. Feels very torquey.
It is.
This car's got a lot of torque, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we can hear it. It sounds great. Doesn't have that farty sound. It has a good power sound. You know what I'm talking about? That weird German farty sound. This sounds great.
A BMW Burble.
Yeah, basically. This guy's on the plot. This guy's on the plot.
Ready?
Yep. Very nice. Not bad for a 5,000 pound SUV or however much this thing weighs. How much does this thing weigh? Somewhere
Not
around
sure.
there. Somewhere around there.
It should be a little, probably high force.
We'll check the door.
Somewhere around there.
Check the door sticker. Yeah, I gotta imagine it's at least 4,500 pounds. I think my truck's close to 5. These guys are like, what the fuck? Yeah,
This car doesn't have launch mode.
Rip it. Yeah, he loves it.
No launch mode, but
No launch mode, just gonna manually launch this thing.
all traction.
Oh yeah. Damn, this thing moves, man. Holy shit.
Great out though.
Holy shit.
Doesn't even budge the time.
You gotta remember, we're in an SUV, so this is crazy. It's basically stock too. I mean, just the stage 1 on here. I can't believe that. Right to the dyno, look at that. Appreciate it, man, that was fun. This thing's awesome.
No problem, man. Thank you.
Can't believe just for the how mild of work done to it, how much power this thing's got.
These cars are legit.
Yeah, I mean, it's really impressing me.
Probably my next car.
Really?
My car out the hole, it's so slow.
Yeah,
I'm gonna you've been in my car.
Yeah.
It's like, it's rough, but it ain't going nowhere.
Your car, once it
this
gets
car
moving,
just,
well, you slip a little bit out the hole.
Yeah,
Once you get moving in your car, though, it is like a fucking freight train.
This is slower up top.
Your car just, it keeps moving up top.
Yeah, it does for sure. I want 184 in my car with way more to go, but I had to stop.
Yeah, I'm pleasantly impressed with this thing.